Good morning. I'm Muhammad Ayazullah from ARCOM Module 4 Artificial Intelligence. I've made a RFID login system for computer. If you scan the RFID tag to the RFID module, it will log in the computer. I'll show you how it works. As you can see now, I have to enter the password in the computer. But instead I'll use the RFID tag and scan it to the RFID module. And the Arduino will enter the password for me. As you saw, now I have logged into the computer. This is really useful as you don't have to keep the password in mind. And you can hang the RFID tag to any keychain as it have a keychain with it. And you can use this with any account, any social media account or anywhere. Thank you for watching. Now when I place the RFID tag over the RFID module, it will enter the password in the computer. As you can see, it's showing welcome on the screen. The Arduino entered the password